plugged right now.
He's recently mated. So now we know she's having babies.
She's been in here since New Year's Day.
I know, but
She's probably about a month from having a litter.
Is she gonna have in a month? Lost. Barrel.
Probably in there.
All right.
We got several others that are gonna have. We're gonna have a lot of piglets in April.
Okay. Well. Ooh, we need to stop raining. It's too muddy in here. Pigs. Going pee-pee. All right, Arnold. You big fat boy. You make lots of pretty babies. All right. Everybody's warm.